Hey, what's up, YouTube? AMC here. Today I'm going to do a box break of 2016 Topps Baseball Holiday, the Holiday box. One relic autograph or auto relic box or card in every box. So it's 10 packs, and they kind of have like a snowflake theme on them. Here are the odds. You want to take a look. Autographs are 1 in 308. So autos are a really tough pull, it looks like. The base metallic snowflake parallels are 1 in 2 packs, so odds are I will have 5 of them. This is a Walmart exclusive, although I did see this at Meijer. So you can find, it seems like you can find all Walmart exclusives at Meijer as well, at least in the Cincinnati area. So just heads up if you're in this area. All right. And there are our packs. All right, let's get to ripping. The cutoff for the card crate for November is the 25th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So about 2 days left for that. If you guys are interested, got some pretty cool products this month's card crate. We have Noah Syndergaard, David Wright, Carlos Martinez, Strasburg, A-Rod, John Jay is our metallic snowflake. Estrada, Braun, a Mazara rookie, and Neil Walker. There are some pretty cool rookies in this stuff. I know that for sure. Mazara, Schwarber, Trevor Story, I believe. We have Odor, Keuchel, Yelich, Lester, Rodon, Herrera, Lowry, Darvish, Kipnis, and Beltre. All right. Velasquez, Stroman, Rodriguez, Garcia, and metallic snowflake of Evan Gattis, Gallardo, Cueto, Chapman, Teixeira, and Trevor Story rookie. That's a cool one. Maybe Eric Ibar, Samardzija, Tyler Naquin, Hanley Ramirez, Kyle Schwarber rookie, Ross Stripling rookie, Victor Martinez, Miguel Sano rookie, Yunel Escobar, and Starlin Castro. You have Clayton Kershaw, Urias, rookie, Miller, Hellickson. Oh, nice. Bryce Harper, metallic snowflake. Cool little action picture there of him sliding. Felix Hernandez, Albert Pujols, David Ortiz. That's a cool one to get. George Springer and Ian Kinsler. Yeah, overall, not a bad design. Cole Hamels, Matt Carpenter, Carlos Correa, Curtis Granderson. Oh, there's our hit. Carlos Rodon. So Dave Sports Cards got Chris Sale. I got Rodon. All right. Will Myers. Ooh, nice. Joey Votto. Love to get a metallic snowflake of Joey Votto. Matt Holliday. Yeah, Votto is my favorite player. Probably my second favorite player of all time after Griffey. Salazar. Justin Bohr. Mike Trout. Nice picture there. That'd be a good metallic. Jason Hayward. Jonathan Lucroy. We got Matt Adams as our metallic. So, other than Bryce Harper, not much luck on the metallics. Eugenio Suarez, that's pretty cool. Like that as a Reds fan. Tulowitzki, Maben, and Shelby Miller. What a bust he was. It's like the worst trade ever. It was stupid before, like when he was as good as he was on the Braves. It was still stupid. JD Martinez, James Shields, Chris Bryant. That'd be a great metallic. Dexter Fowler, Aoki, Freddie Freeman, Franco, Seager, Kyle Seager, Vogt, and Castellanos. Tyler White, rookie. We have Dustin Pedroia, Henry Owens, rookie. Max Scherzer, Hyun-Soo Kim, rookie, metallic. It's cool. He's just a rookie. Doug Fister, Tylon Archer, Tanner Roark, and Matt Wieters. So, don't think we're going to have another metallic in here. Hunter Pence, Byron Buxton, David Price, Evan Gattis, Matt Adams, John Jay, Hyun-Soo Kim, rookie, Josh Harrison, Lorenzo Cain, and Mark Trumbo. I really like that picture of Mark Trumbo. That's a cool one. So anyways, guys, here's a quick rundown of what we got. We got a Kim metallic, Matt Adams metallic, Carlos Rodon relic, just a solid swatch of gray. Bryce Harper metallic, Snowflake. This is probably our best card. Got a cool little like glittery look to it. Evan Gattis and John Jay. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think. I think this box, it doesn't say on here. I think this was $19.99, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was $19.99. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until next time, AMC out.